But I intend to go back to it. For my dreams, I intend to, when I have finished what I'm doing now, I'm going to probably try to write on the resurrection body in alchemy, because there's nothing about it in Christian theology, or practically nothing, just nonsense.
Is there a
But
connection
alchemy,
to the subtle body?
yes, naturally. You see, Western alchemy is a parallel attempt to what in Eastern Taoism and Buddhism is trying to build the diamond body, or the eternal body, which survives death, which is a kind of subtle body.
So, dreams and symbols having to do with this building of a subtle body are really objective material. It's not just a myth or a story, but it's objective reality.
It is the reality. All the rest is superficial illusion. It's what really happens in a human being. And therefore, at the end of life, there's the big showdown. Have you frittered away your life in superficiality? Or as Jung said about a woman once, 5 minutes after her death, she'll not remember this life anymore. Or have you built something eternal in which your individuality can survive and not just get dissolved like the atoms of your body?
So death itself is the showdown. I mean,
I think so, yes.
What do you say when someone asks you about life after death?
I say, I believe in it, but you needn't believe in it if you don't want to, or if you have no evidence to believe in it. I mean, you can't prove it to anybody or ram it down their throat. If they don't want to believe it, they have reasons not to believe it. That's okay too.
Do you think it's important to fantasize about death?
Oh, yes. I know that one aged pupil went to Jung a few years before his death, and in order to find out what he thought about life after death, and he said, that won't help you on your own deathbed to think what I believed. You have to build up your own viewpoint. You have to work on it yourself and find your own standpoint. You cannot quote Jung in the dying moment of dying. Wouldn't help much.